Hey neighbor, in this video, I'll show you 5 tips to follow to help you save money with that fall overseeding and make it a success. Okay, number 1, don't do it at all. Now, unless your lawn is patchy or it's filled with weeds or it's thin, there's no need to overseed every year. I was going to overseed my entire yard this year because my lawn looked terrible. I tried an experiment to see how low I could cut it during the summer. Then we had a drought. At least 1/3 of the lawn looked dead. And now, once again, I'm reminded that all I need is a little bit of patience and some cooler temperatures, and my Kentucky bluegrass lawn will fill in and be fine. Now, number 2, you can save money by using that leftover seed with our help from hydrogen peroxide. Now, what hydrogen peroxide does is it loosens the seed coat, which typically is your main issue with germination with older seed, by providing that extra oxygen atom. What you want to do is soak it for about 12 hours or the night before you're planning on seeding in a cheesecloth, 1 cup per 1 gallon of water. And then when you're done, rinse it off with some water, let it dry out, and you're ready to go. Now, the third thing is to use the tools that you have. Now, a nice lawn leveling rake is awesome, and it's good if you have one, but otherwise, a good push broom is a good thing to get that soil down into the canopy of the lawn. You can turn around a rake and help you to level things out and smooth it across your grass. Use what you have. All right, now 4 is going to involve choosing the right seed. This is going to help you save money in the long run by paying a little bit extra now. Now, if you pay a little extra now and buy the good seed, it'll help you buy a seed that is hardy, can withstand the stresses, and is primarily weed free. If you go with a cheaper seed, it may cost less now, but you'll end up buying more seed later and have more work to do when you got to take out those weeds. So here are the key things that you want to look for. You want the germination rate to be high, the inert matter, meaning what extra is in the bag, the filler material, you want that to be a lower number. This one's 1.03%. And then your weeds. This one has 0% weeds in the bag. Take a look at these. You want that to be a low number. All right, and then number 5, you want to make sure that you feed your seed by giving it the right nutrients in order to help it grow and to thrive. Now, if you have not done a soil test or you have no starter fertilizer available, picking something up like this, which is a triple 10, can be used in its place and sometimes can be cheaper. This triple 10 fertilizer will give you equal amounts of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, the things your lawn needs once it starts to grow. Only downside is that a starter fertilizer has more phosphorus, helping the roots to dig deeper, while this one does not have as much phosphorus. But a triple 10 fertilizer can be useful and prevent you from burning your lawn and give you the nutrients that your lawn needs. Thanks for watching.